traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I mean, we did have a doji candle last month, as you could see, but I still am a big believer that gold is going up to one of these higher fib levels, maybe the 2250 area, and potentially even a lot further than that. It could be a wave five, or it potentially could be just a subdivision of a much larger uptrend. So either way, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we did have that big bounce right there, but then what happened? It went down and made a higher low, and now it's back into an uptrend, I believe. I think there's a good chance that this is going to continue to drift up. I think it's eventually going to go up and take out those highs, head up towards that 2250 area, and potentially even a lot higher than that. So going down to the daily, I think on the daily time frame, it is very, very clear that this right here is an ABC correction, and that right there is the end of an ABC, just like this back here, ABC down, and then it continued the uptrend. ABC down, and now I think it's going to continue the uptrend. So I am for sure primarily looking for longs, especially on the shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, it definitely has that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look to it. So it potentially could, after it goes up and takes out this high, make a bigger correction. But I think what's more likely to happen is this is not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just a subdivision of a much larger trend, and it's probably just going to continue to make higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and just keep on trending up. All part of that bigger trend I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it's definitely been going up pretty nicely. It has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 save, so I think it is pretty possible that it will go down and break structure. But I think there's a pretty good chance that this move down is going to be a correction to this move up, and eventually it's going to end like another correction and continue the uptrend. Like I was explaining on the higher time frames, my roadmap time frames, we should definitely primarily be looking for longs right now. I mean, if you're a scalper or a day trader, you could possibly have some sorting opportunities coming. But I think that looking for longs are going to be the much more probable, much more likely to be high risk to reward ratio trades for the continuation of this uptrend, which may or may not be a wave five on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.